everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on Stanley Road, situated in Eccles, to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom terrace property. Really lovely throughout, nice and spacious, beautifully presented, and is a credit to the current owners. And as you could just see from the outside of the front of the property, there is a really nice park just on your doorstep, which is very convenient for families, dog owners. So coming through the property was greeted by an entrance hallway, which leads through to 2 beautifully presented and spacious reception areas. So this is our living area here. Again, very good size, bay fronted, which flows through seamlessly then to our second reception room, which could be used as an office, entertaining space, a dining area. You can see it's beautifully presented and really well maintained and looked after inside. So the rear of the property, we've got some storage there, and then we've got a very convenient and lovely downstairs toilet there as well. Again, has been tastefully decorated. And then the rear of the property has this absolutely fantastic kitchen here. Plenty of space here. We've got a utility section there. Fridge, again, nice and wide kitchen. Plenty of space, spotlights in there. Property is double glazed and gas central heated throughout. And then we've got our sun-drenched rear garden here. All very nice and low maintenance as well. Now coming up to the first floor of the property, we've got 3 very generous sized bedrooms and a modern 3-piece bathroom suite. And again, on our doorstep, we've got that lovely park there, which is a really nice touch to have. Nearby to lots of local amenities, Monton Village, you've got the Trafford Centre as well, which is close by. Lots of transport links to Manchester City Centre, to Salford Quays, Media City and surrounding areas. So we can see the view out the front, and again this fantastic main bedroom, very generous in size. And then we've got our nice landing, which leads through then to the second bedroom. Again, you've got a very good sized double bedroom here. Would be a perfect first time buy or a family home. Someone's looking to upsize in the area. Lots of fantastic local schools nearby as well. So this is our 3-piece modern fitted bathroom suite. We've got our L-shaped bath there, shower over the bath, and again it's a really nice space. And then completing the property is our 3rd bedroom, which is located to the rear of the property. You can see we've got another good size here. This bedroom is currently used as an office. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property, please call our office on 061 707 4900.